Hello all, my name is Amrapali Chavan, Assistant Professor Computer Department. Today we will see what is data mining. As you know, we are living in the information age, which is popular saying. However, we are actually living in the data age, that is terabytes or petabytes of data pour into our computer networks. The World Wide Web and various data storage devices every day from the business, society, science and engineering, medicine and almost every other aspect of daily life. This explosive growth of available data volume is a result of computerization of our society and the last development and fast development of powerful data collection and storage tools. Businesses worldwide generate gigantic datasets including sales, transactions, stock trading records, product descriptions, sales promotions, company profiles and performance, and customer feedback. For example, large stores such as Walmart handle hundreds of millions of transactions per week at thousands of branches around the world. Scientific and engineering practices generate high orders of petabytes of data in a continuous manner, from remote sensing, process measuring, scientific experiment, system performance, engineering observation, and environment surveillance. So, data mining can be viewed as a result of natural evolution of information technology. The database and data management industry evolved in the development of several critical functionalities, that is data collection, database creation and data management. So data mining is nothing but knowledge discovery from the data, that is extraction of interesting non-trivial implicit previously unknown and potentially useful data. These are also called as patterns or knowledge from huge amount of data. So, it is no surprise that data mining is a truly interdisciplinary subject and can be defined in many different ways. So, data mining should have been more appropriately named as knowledge mining from data, which is unfortunately somewhat long. However, the shorter term knowledge mining may not reflect the emphasis on mining from large amount of data. So, nevertheless, mining is a vivid term characterizing the process that finds a small set of precious nuggets from a great ideal of raw material, such as uh, Minsomer carrying both data and mining. So, it became popular choice. So the alternative names for data mining is KDD, knowledge extraction, data or pattern analysis, data archaeology, data draining, dragging, information harvesting, business intelligence, etc. So watch out is everything is data mining. So the simple search and query processing is included in this, and deductive expert system is also included in this. So many people treat the data mining as a synonym for another popular system which is called knowledge discovery from the data. So this is the basic diagram for knowledge discovery, that is KDD process. This is a view from typical database system and data warehousing communities. Data mining plays an essential role in the knowledge discovery process. So first step here is data cleaning, means to remove the noise and inconsistent data. Then second step is data integration. Data integration in which where multiple data sources may be combined. The next step is data selection. In data selection where data relevant to the analysis task are retrieved from the database. Then The next step is data transformation, where data are transformed and consolidated into forms appropriate for mining by performing summary or aggregation operations. Then next step is data mining, as essential process where intelligent methods are applied to extract data patterns. And the next step is pattern evolution, to identify truly interesting patterns representing knowledge based on interestingness measures. And the last one is knowledge presentation, where visualization and knowledge representation techniques are used to represent mined knowledge to users. So the preceding views shows data mining as one step in the knowledge discovery process. However, in industry or in media and in research area, the term data mining is used to refer the entire knowledge discovery process. So data mining is a process of discovering interesting pattern and knowledge from large amount of data. So the data sources can include databases, data warehouse, web, and other information repositories or data that are streamed into the system dynamically. So we will see now what kind of data can be mined. The first one is database. A database system is also called as database management system, which is consist of a collection of interrelated data known as database. Then relational database is a collection of tables, each of which is assigned a unique name. Each table consists of set of attributes, that is columns, fields, and usually stores a large set of tuples, that is records and rows. A semantic data model such as ER relationship, that is entity relationship data model, which is constructed for relational database, and ER data model represent the database as a set of entities and their relationship. Then the next type of data is data warehouse. So data warehouse is a repository of information collected from multiple sources and stored under a unified schema and usually residing at a single site. Data warehouse are constructed via a process of data cleaning, data integration, data transformation, data loading, and periodic data refreshing. So data warehouse is usually modeled by a multidimensional data structure called as data cube, in which each dimension corresponds to an attribute or set of attribute in the schema. Then third type of data that we can mine is transactional data. So in general, each record in the transactional database captures a transaction such as a customer's purchase, flight booking, or user's click on a web page. A transaction type typically include a unique transaction identity number, that is transaction ID, and the list of items making up the transaction, such as the item purchased in the transaction. A transactional database may have additional tables which contain other information related to the transaction, such as item description, information about salesperson or the branch, and so on. So this is the introductory part of data mining. Thank you so much.